Hi there folks, and welcome to another online maths tutorial from CD Masterworks Limited. So we're going to be continuing with our substitution and formulae module, only this time we're going to be looking at these two skills at silver. So evaluating an expression or a formula which is more than one variable, and evaluating formulae in context. So compared to our previous tutorial, you should find these skills slightly more awkward. So first of all, evaluating an expression, and the other word for that we use is substitution. So we have if a equals 3, b equals 2 and c equals 6, and we're going to calculate the value of 2a plus 3c. So in algebra, if two things are next to each other, it means that we multiply. So if a is 3, then 2a would be 2 times 3, and if c is 6, then 3c will be 3 times 6. So we're going to do a wee bit of BODMAS here. We're going to do 2 times 3, we're going to do 3 times 6, and then we're going to add them together. And that will give us an answer of 24, as it's 6 plus 18. So our second example is 2bc divided by 10. So we've got to do 2 times b times c, which is 2 times 2 times 6. And once we've done all that, we're going to divide our answer by 10. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 6 is 24, and 24 divided by 10 is 2.4. And our last one, we've got a plus b all over 2. So that's going to be 3 plus 2 all over 2. So we do the top first, so 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 over 2. So we can call that 5 over 2, or we can leave it as 2.5. It can either be left as a fraction or a decimal. So you're going to use a slightly different set of numbers. So we have a equals 3, b equals 4 and c equals 1, and you're going to calculate the following. And if you're working in these at home, you're going to pause the video now. Okay, pause the video, let's go over some answers. So number 1 would be 32, number 2 would be 33, number 3 would be 22, number 4 would be 10, number 5 would be 0.9, number 6 is 48, number 7 is 0.5, number 8 is 2, number 9 is 6, and number 10 is 11. So moving on to our second section, which is formulae in context. So these always come in the form of a wee story. So a courier service charges £11.75 standard delivery plus 70 pence per parcel. So how much would this courier service cost to deliver 4 parcels? So no matter how many parcels there are, you're always going to have to pay the £11.75 standard delivery charge, and it's 70 pence per parcel. So if the £11.75 is in pounds, we're going to change the 70 pence into pounds, which of course is 0.7 pounds. So if there's 4 parcels, we'd have to do 0.7 times 4. So a bit of BODMAS, we've got to do the times first. So 70 pence times 4 is £2.80. Then when we're finished, we just add that onto the £11.75, which gives us a final answer of £14.55. So for the following formula in context, you're going to form an expression, and then you're going to evaluate it. So if you're working in these at home, pause the video now. Okay, pause the video, let's go over some answers. So we have the mobile phone bill of £65, we've got the taxi fare of £11.10, we've got the cinema price of £50.10, we've got the cost of the pizza is £9.60, we have the flour delivery service charging £51.90, and the electricity tariff would cost £32. And that concludes our online tutorial for silver substitution and formulae, and I hope you found that useful, and stay tuned for the next one. Okay, bye for now.